Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Joy from inside out. So let's get started. To draw cute Joy, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So let's start right here with an oval. So right here, and we're just going to draw this big, oval. And bring down a curve. And bring it all the way back. There. And then I'm going to come right across, not too far away, say about right here, and we're going to do the same thing. There, something like that. Okay, so now that these two big ovals in, I'm going to come to the top and I'm going to just come right here and thicken up the top part. Just a little bit, just to anchor her eyes a little bit more. So I'm just going to draw a curve and thicken this part up. There. And then from there, let's come inside and we're going to draw a circle. So maybe towards this edge a little bit more. Let's come about right here. And let's draw this circle. And then let's come to the top right here and we're going to draw another circle for a highlight. And then inside, we're going to draw a circle. Right about here and then shade this part in. And this is the space for the color of her eye when you color it. So let's do the same thing on this side. So towards this edge a little bit more. Oops, I think that one's a way bigger, huh? Okay, let's make this one bigger too. Sorry for the mess. I'll come in there and clean it all up. So then same thing right here. And shade this part all in. There. Okay, so now that I've made a mess of her eyes, hopefully I will come in here real quick. And so you can see a little bit better. There, you just want the top part to be a little bit thicker. So go ahead and erase that so you can see that difference. There. Okay, much better. So then once you color in her eyes, it'll all make sense. So now that we have that, let's come above each eye and we're going to draw a curve. So about right here, just draw a soft curve. You can thicken it up if you like for her brow, and same thing on the other side. There. And then we're going to give her a big smile because she is Joy, right? So right in the center, let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and start right here and bring up a curve. Then I'm going to widen this up and bring it in and cap it off. There. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's start to frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye and come out really about right here, close to it, close to her eyes, and same thing over here. And we're basically just going to draw this very round face. So I'm going to go around her eye and come down, go around her eye, just curve around, and then I'm just going to kind of say about right here. I'll give myself a point. It's kind of where I want her chin to be, and I'm going to bring this curve down to my point. And so same thing over here, nice and round. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw her hair. So I'm going to bring this up, her hair parts on the sides. I'm going to go up above, past her brow to say about right here. And now we're going to draw the strands of hair. So let's come right here where her hair parts. Then we're going to come down with a curve in between her brow. Let's bring in a strand, and then we're going to go up. Then let's bring down another strand about right here and touch her brow. And then go back up. And then let's just go ahead and finish it off. There. And then let's come back right here, and we're going to curve out where her hair parts. And on this side, we're going to come down, and this side, we're going to go up. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to come right about here, and we're just going to bring it down and maybe zigzag one strand and bring it in. There. Just try to simplify her hair. And so same thing on this side. Let's go up to about right there. Then we're going to bring it down. And say about right here, just mix it up. We're going to pop out a strand of hair. And then continue. And same thing. Let's just say about right here, maybe put in one more strand and then bring it in. There. And then once again, just draw a little line. To add a little bit more detail. There. So hopefully it's starting to look like Joy now. And then let's see. Let's come back over here, and we need to draw some hair sticking out. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just pop out some hair and zigzag and bring it in. Okay, so finally done with that, and so now we can finally draw her body. So let's come to the center and say about right here, we give her a little neck, and come out and come out right there. And then on this side, I'm going to continue going out a little bit, and this side I'm going to come down. So that's different because one hand's waving up and one's on her hip. So then let's come back to this area right here. I'm just going to connect it with a curve for her dress, and then come here and we're going to draw a sleeve. So come down and down. No sleeve, I'm sorry. Just this top part right here because it's sleeveless for her dress. And then let's bring this down. So now that we have that part where her arm comes out, we're going to bring this out. So we're just going to angle it all the way down. And let's say about right there. Let's same height, and then from there I'm going to go ahead and just wobble across to finish off her dress. And then let's come down here. We're going to have her legs standing apart. So let's say about right here and here. Let's go ahead and I'm going to come down to an angle. So kind of following that angle. Bring it down to say about right there. And then this is going to meet a nice small ankle. And then we're going to just pop out this tiny foot. The little heel, round this part off and connect. So same thing on this side. Continue that angle down to the same level to about right there, and then once again same thing here. And the heel. And come down at an angle and connect. There. Okay, so then now for her arms, let's draw this side first. So we're going to have it on her hip, so around about here. So let's come down to say about here, and then I'm going to bring this down and angle in. So then let's go ahead and thicken up her arms. Right there, and then elbow. Bring it in, down, and then a little finger. There. And then now for the other hand, that's kind of waving. So let's see here. I'm going to need to turn my body a little bit. So I'm going to come out with an angle. So I'll say about right here. Just easier for my hand to draw this way. So I'm going to come down this way. About right there. And bring it in. There. Okay, and then about right here, we're going to add some fingers. So come out with a thumb. And then 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then find a small little one and bring it in. There. Okay, so hopefully that looks about right. And last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here on her dress. And of course, when you're coloring, you can put in those patterns that's on her dress. Very subtle, but there are some patterns. But that is pretty much it for my new version here of Joy from Inside Out. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.